So in this video, Joe downloaded songs and videos from Songs R Us. Songs are $1.50 each, and videos are $3 each. Joe spent a total of $42 at Songs R Us. So one thing we have to make sure we realize is that he spent a total of $42. Not more than $42, not less than $42. So before I get into the first two questions about the solutions, I need to know more about the problem. The easiest way to do this is to go to our calculator. Now, if you're one of those people that want to do it by hand, yes, you can go through and make a table for songs and then make a table for videos and compare them and look at the cost. You can do all of that hard work. Or you can let the calculator do the work for you. And Ms. James is going to let the calculator do the work for her. I'm tired at this time. So, let's start with a function. Let's write a function for this relationship. We have $1.50 per song. So I'm going to let songs represent X. So $1.50 per song plus $3 for each video, and I'm going to let videos be Y, has to equal our total of $42. So equals 42. That's our equation. Now, the only thing we have to do now, the only kind of hard work we have to do, is because we can't necessarily graph this in the calculator yet, we have to solve itself. We have to get Y. We have to get Y by itself. We have to get Y. 42. So that's our equation. So to solve this equation, to get Y by itself, that should be a plus sign. To get Y by itself, I have to get rid of this 150x. So I'm going to subtract 150x from both sides. $150x minus 150x is cancel out. So I'm left with $3 per video is equal to, now a lot of you here are going to want to write this. But this is wrong because these are not like terms. So I cannot subtract 101, I keep saying 100, $1.50 from 42 because this has an X with it. This has a variable with it. The 42 does not. So we're just going to bring that down. Now to get Y by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by 3. This glare, I'm so sorry. So 3 divided by 3 cancels out, so you're left with Y on this side. Y is equal to, now you can leave it just like this. There's no problem with leaving like that. Being that we're dealing with money, if you want to simplify that out and write it as a decimal, you can. I'm not going to lie, I don't necessarily know what that is, so I'm going to use my calculator. 42 divided by $3 is 14. I should have known that. It's okay. 14 minus, now here, 150 over $3. I do know what that is. That is 1/2 x. Now, like I said, if you wanted to leave it this way, you could. We can put that top way in the calculator. It's just a lot to type in, so I like to simplify. So here's where I'm going to turn to my calculator. So I'm going to go to New Document. No, I do not want to save. And I'm going to add a graph. Okay? So our equation we just came up with Y is Y equals 4 minus 1/2 x. So that's what it looks like on the graph. And now we can pull up our table. Control T to pull up our table. And now the calculator is doing the work for us. I'm not going to copy this graph and table down, but you can. The table's right there for you. The graph is also right there for you. Just plot your points down. Questions. Write what we're saying out loud. So, $1.50 per song plus $3 per video has to equal our total of $42. Is the data discrete or continuous? Well, this is a great question. I know we can have 50 cents, that's half of $1. And I know that we can have samples of songs. But think about it. In this problem, we're purchasing the entire song. We're purchasing the entire video. We're not going to pay $1.50 for half of a song. So this problem is discrete. Reasonable domain and range. Well, domain is your X values. And since we know it's discrete, you're going to list out how many songs and videos you can purchase. Okay, so even using your table for this one, you can purchase 0 songs. You could purchase 2 songs. You can purchase 4 songs, and so on and so forth. Reasonable range. Range is your Y value, so here you're just going to write down your Y values. You could purchase, how many videos? You can purchase a lot of videos. Start with 0, of course. You can purchase 0. You can purchase 1, 2, and keep going. So now, what is the slope? Well, if you look at your table, am going to copy down some of those. I'll put the wrong equation into the calculator.